This is an Alberta emergency alert. Environment Canada has issued a possible tornado alert. This alert is in effect for Cypress County and Newell County number 4. At 8:20 Mountain Standard Time, Doppler radar is tracking a rotating severe thunderstorm 10 kilometers north of Rosemary. This storm is moving towards the southeast at 25 kilometers per hour. This dangerous storm is likely producing very large hail and may produce a tornado over the next 30 minutes. Communities in the path include Duchess and Patricia. If you are in the affected area, be prepared to take shelter immediately in a basement or reinforced structure if a tornado develops. Get low and put as many walls between yourself and the storm as possible. Stay away from windows, doors and outside walls. If you are on the highway and cannot avoid the tornado, seek shelter in a ditch or ravine. For details visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.